Hi everyone, my name is Keithan Adams, and this is my presentation for Module 1. To start, a little bit about me. I'm from Bennington, Nebraska, which is right outside of Omaha, about 3.5 hours from Kearney there. This fall, I will be a senior in art education, meaning I'm trying to be an art teacher here. I'll be student teaching in the spring, hopefully. After that, I'm looking to go out into the job market, hopefully work at a high school, but whatever will come at me, I'm sure I'll find something. In my free time, I obviously do a lot of art, being an art teacher. I'm also involved in martial arts, which I've been doing that for about 10 years now. And this summer, I've got a job at the YMCA, being camp manager instead of a camp counselor this year, which is real exciting. As far as social media, I do use Instagram for my art, Snapchat just for talking to people and everything, Facebook, not so much, but it's there. I use it sometimes. Twitter and YouTube I do for news and politics and just for random videos throughout the day. And today I'm going to talk about what social media marketing is and why it's important. So, social media marketing is how a company uses social media to positively influence people towards a product or service that they provide. It's not just that influence, however, it's to bring that interest, attraction, and to start conversations about that product and service that they provide. Okay, so who's online? Okay, social media marketing is really important today just simply because of how many people use it. Okay, people are constantly on social media every day and consistently. So just with that alone, it makes it one of the most effective ways to make an impression, having a presence online. According to digitalmarketing.org, over 90% of millennials, 75% of Gen X, and about 50% of baby boomers are active on social media. So now more than ever, people are online, especially with the pandemic and COVID and everything that happened due to that. Even in my job field with teaching and art teachers have moved online using YouTube to post demonstrations, videos, using Facebook to keep in contact with parents, posting photos, all that sorts of stuff. Back even when I was a kid, just social media was very limited, nowhere near where it is today. Back then it was just email, TV, websites, simple stuff. Now we've got Facebook, YouTube, Instagram, Snapchat, Twitter, and a whole bunch of other things that companies and we have a large presence on, where we can market and talk to companies even directly with like Twitter and Instagram. So it's very important to be online nowadays.